Hey friends, have you ever ordered clothes online only to realize they don't suit you when they arrive? It's so frustrating, right? Yes, I've been there too. I recently ordered this jacket online. When it came to my house, I realized it doesn't suit my body type or skin tone. So to solve this problem, I researched and found two amazing open source AI tools where you can upload your own photo as well as the outfit's photo from online store and check whether it suits you or not. Isn't it cool?
Yes.
I'm going to show you how you can use these tools. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's check them out. The tool is called Dressplay AI. On the homepage of Dressplay AI, there are two options. Join beta Discord, where you can generate unlimited images, and started generating web, which gives you limited tokens for image generation. I chose the join beta Discord option, clicked on it, and accepted the invite to join their Discord server. Inside Discord, the homepage had a generate section with two rooms available. I clicked on room 1. At the bottom, there was a message box where I typed slash. As soon as I typed it, a panel appeared and I selected generate image from the panel. Two boxes appeared, one for uploading my image and other for clothes I wanted to try. So first I uploaded my photo, then I searched online for some clothes. I went to Amazon and found a jacket I liked, clicked on it and saved the image. Afterward, I uploaded the saved jacket image in the second box on the Discord. Below that, I selected the type of clothes and pressed enter. After a few minutes, the AI generated an image of me wearing the selected jacket. Doesn't it look good? For another try, I decided to use an image of my teammate. His name is Rahul. I uploaded his photo, found another outfit online, saved the image, and repeated the same step. So after selecting the clothes style and pressing enter, within few minutes the tool generated a real image. Doesn't it look great? And you can check whether it is the right outfits for you or not. So I liked a lot. I use a lot of time. But there is a one drawback for this tool. The generated image has a watermark and cannot be downloaded directly. If you want to remove the watermark, I use the tool and I also created a tutorial on those, on watermark remover tools. You can check in the I button and also in the description. Another tool I explore is Kolors virtual try on, and where you can also try unlimited photos. So you can go to that website by just googling it. On their websites you will find two boxes, one for uploading your photos and other for uploading the garment image. Below these boxes there are examples showing how to upload your images and what the result look like. I uploaded my photos in the first box and searched for a jacket on Amazon. After finding a jacket I liked, I saved its image and uploaded it to the second box, which is the garment box. Finally, I clicked run, and within a few seconds, my image wearing the same jacket was ready. Wow, doesn't it look real? So these tools are incredibly helpful because they allows you to try any kind of clothes before buying online. If you are owning a clothes store, you can create a model wearing your clothes. So if you want to check the entire videos where I'm creating the models, as well as I'm also putting my own clothes on that same model, you can try that video from the I button above, and the link you can also find in the description box. If you really found my video helpful, then like and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified next time when the new video is uploaded. See you in the next one.